So I always see these videos on TikTok and Instagram of grocery hauls, and then you're asked to guess how much the entire grocery haul was. So let's play this game. This is at No Frills in Toronto. So we'll start here. 3 bags of the kettle cooked chips, 5 mangoes, 3 packs of garlic, the lupini beans, some yogurt, 3 packages of blueberries, 3 packages of frozen veggies, romaine, 12 pack of eggs, 4 broccoli crowns, 3 packs of the Always Discreet pads, a 680 gram package of mushrooms, some baby bok choy, some chicken bouillon powder, some cheese slices, some bay leaves, 2 packages or 2 containers of ramen broth, 3 packages of blackberries, a 30 pack of decaf coffee, some cinnamon rolls, a peace tea. What do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 Fuji apples, 2 packages of, or I guess 4 packages in this case, of the cheese and spinach ravioli. There's the price, obviously. Some tortillas. This is the 10 pack. Oops, sorry. That's the 10 pack. A 1 liter of Smart Water. This is the 1 liter of sauerkraut. And 6 packages or 6 cans of the minis Coca-Cola. And then a 10-pound bag of onions and a 10-pound bag of the yellow fleshed potatoes. So leave a comment as to how much you think all of this cost. Keeping in mind that I didn't use any coupons for this haul, but keeping in mind that I do price match, that I use like cashback rebate apps, and it's the PC points week, so I got points back too for some of these things. So my total will be taking all of that into consideration to lower my cost essentially. So how much do you think all of this was? I will look forward to your answers. Bye.